Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper or desktop background on your Windows laptop or PC. First, go to your desktop. Right-click on any empty area of the desktop. From the menu that appears, click Personalize. This will open the Windows Personalization settings. Next, click Background. At the top, you'll see an option where you can choose the type of background you want to use. You can select Picture if you want to use a single image. You can also choose Solid Color, Slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. If you select Picture, Windows will show you several recent images that you can use as your wallpaper. Simply click on one of them to apply it. If you want to use your own image, click Browse Photos. Find the picture you want to use on your computer and select it. Windows will immediately apply the image as your new desktop wallpaper. You can also adjust how the image fits your screen by changing the fit option to something like Fill, Fit, Stretch, or Center. Once you're happy with your wallpaper, you can close the settings window. And that's how to change the wallpaper on a Windows laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.